This video will provide an introduction to the JazzConnect-EMAL-Reader from CMLogic. JazzConnect is a family of integrated applications that enable IBM Rational Jazz applications to collaborate with other applications and tools. Integrations from JazzConnect include HPALM, Atlassian Jira, JetBrains IntelliJ, plus we have also a command line utility which works directly with DAWS-NG. But today in this presentation we will focus on JazzConnect-EMAL for this. Email is widely used as a form of business communication. Users, both internal and external, and applications use email to inform others of issues and requests. Using JazzConnect-EMAL, it is now possible to read the email boxes and process those emails to create or update IBM Rational Team Concert work items. Numerous configurations can be established with an XML-based setup file. The next few slides will just demonstrate some examples of how the tool can be configured. So the first example is to show that separate email boxes can be processed to direct emails to separate RTC project areas. This is especially useful if you have different business areas in the organization that have to run their own projects and their own email systems, and from a single configuration file, any number of separate email boxes can be set up. The email reader can also be configured to direct mails from certain senders to different project areas. Even set up a blacklist where certain senders are simply not processed. This next example shows that different senders can cause the email reader to generate different work item types in RTC, perhaps having one sender create defects and another creating tasks. This is useful if you have a build tool or a continuous integration system that generates emails if there is a problem, and that will create a defect in RTC, whereas regular users will create tasks for other users to act upon. The configuration of Email Reader is managed through an XML file that is split into sections. These sections enable very flexible configurations to be established. Parameters can be set at a system-wide level, at an inbox level, and at a per-user level. And when combined, they direct Email Reader on how to process emails. This includes which RTC project to connect to, which email box to read, and then how to create or update the work item. Even RTC attributes that need to be set can be pre-configured in this XML file. Email Reader will also send notification messages back to the original sender and to the administrator. The content of that message is also configurable. And here I'm showing an example of the email that was sent. You can see that in the background. We send that email to the mailbox. Email Reader then processes that and generates an RTC work item, as can be seen in the foreground. We take the subject line of the email and create that as the summary in the work item, and then the body of the email is added to the description field in the work item. As I said on the previous slide, all attributes can be updated via the email system, and which ones you choose to update can be configured in the system. Well, that concludes our short introduction to JazzConnect-EMAL. If you'd like to find out more, then please contact us through either of the methods shown on the screen, whether it be web, email, or telephone. Thank you.